Welcome to How It's Built. Today, we take a closer look at one of humanity's oldest and most beautiful inventions, the traditional clay pot. What you see here may seem simple, But behind this final product lies an intricate journey of craftsmanship, patience, and tradition that dates back thousands of years. Let's rewind and explore how this humble clay pot comes to life. It all begins with clay, not just any clay, but a specific type of rich, earthy soil that's sticky, moldable, and full of natural minerals. This clay is usually collected from riverbanks or deep underground. After collection, it's left to rest. Impurities like stones, roots, and gravel are carefully removed by hand or sieving. Next, the clay is mixed with water to reach the perfect consistency: soft, elastic, and smooth. It's then kneaded, much like dough, to remove air bubbles and make it workable. This step is crucial because even a tiny trapped air pocket can cause the pot to crack during firing. Once the clay is ready, it's time for the most mesmerizing step: shaping. Traditional potters often use a manual or electric potter's wheel. A lump of clay is centered on the wheel and shaped entirely by hand. With steady fingers and years of experience, the potter pulls and presses the spinning clay upwards, forming a basic cylindrical shape. Gradually, the pot takes on its final form, whether tall and slender or short and round. Every movement, every touch is intentional. It's not just technique, it's a form of art passed down through generations. Some potters use molds for uniform designs, especially for mass production, but handcrafted pieces like the one you see retain their own character. No two are ever truly alike. After shaping, the pot is left to dry, but not under the sun just yet. At this stage, it's extremely fragile, so it's placed in a shaded, dust-free environment for slow drying. Rapid drying can lead to cracks. Once leather-hard, the pot is firm but still workable. Now it's time for trimming, smoothing, and adding fine details. Some pots are hand-carved with patterns, while others receive textured finishes using wooden tools or cloth. Handles, spouts, and decorative elements are added at this point if required. These parts are joined with slip, a watery clay mixture that acts like glue. Now comes the transformation. The dried pot is placed inside a kiln, a type of high-temperature oven, where it's fired at around 900 to 1,100 degrees Celsius. The firing process hardens the clay, turning it from soft earth into durable ceramic. Depending on the local tradition and resources, some potters still use open wood-fired kilns, giving the pot a smoky, earthy finish. Others use electric or gas kilns for consistent results. During firing, the pot changes color from gray or brown to the warm reddish hue you see in the final product. This is caused by the iron content in the clay reacting to heat and oxygen. After firing, the pot is cooled slowly. A sudden drop in temperature can cause it to crack. Now the pot is ready, or nearly so. Some are left raw and matte for a natural look. Others are polished, painted, or glazed for shine and waterproofing. And finally, we arrive at this: a finished clay pot. Strong, elegant, and timeless. Simple in appearance, yet rich in heritage. This is not just a vessel, but a reflection of tradition, skill, and sustainability. Thanks for watching How It's Built. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we explore the story behind the things we use every day.